Hey, what's up guys, this is Abhinav here. Let's see how you can get a preview of Snap in the notification panel even before you open it. To get that you need three things. Firstly, your phone needs to be rooted and you have to install LS Post framework on your phone. That's a Magisk module, and then you require Snap Enhance APK for the final process. You'll have so many tutorials on YouTube about how to root your phone and install LS Post framework. Root your phone only if you want to and have enough knowledge about it, and I'll provide the tutorials that I have followed to root and install LSPorts framework on my phone in the description, along with the link to Snap Enhance APK and other related links. Let's proceed and see how we can do that. First, you need to root and then install LSPorts framework following video tutorial provided in the description. Then you need to install the Snap Enhance APK link in the description. Then reboot to activate the module and then open the LSPorts manager. Click on modules, enable Snap Enhance module from here and check Snapchat. Now open Snap Enhance, go to features section, then messaging, then scroll down to get to better notifications, then enable share preview of media. This will show you middle part of the image as preview when a friend sends you a snap. This will be handy if you quickly want to know what the snap is about, and if it's important you can open it, or else you can dismiss notification and view it later because you mostly get black snaps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.